If you're looking for a really good high level bookkeeper who has huge knowledge base, ton of experience, and is just really good at what she does, professional, responsive, she's a great choice and great person to work with.
Working with Kristen has been really good experience.
She's very responsive and on top of it.
Yeah, I always say that. Like she responded to us fast.
And the reviews. You had really good reviews. And the consistency, because that was my thing too. I was like, okay, well, Kristen is doing really well in the beginning. I was like, hopefully she maintains this. And you did. So we're thankful for that.
Her professionalism's like off the chart. It's been a huge impact. She's absolutely incredible when it comes to, I've got a question, her response to, hey, can we set up a call?
Kristen is prompt, responds very quickly, and really cleaned up a mess for us.
As we grow our company, we just want people around us who prioritize their business, who love what they do, who are very articulate, communicate well.
Our experience in dealing with Kristen is that she's been more efficient and saved us a significant amount of time. Real estate presents some particular problems when you have multiple projects, so having somebody that specializes in real estate and understands and is an expert in QuickBooks as it relates to real estate is important.
Kristen, I feel like downplays a little bit in terms of her knowledge and breadth of knowledge. Because I've worked with other bookkeepers, she is incredibly knowledgeable.
Just having that monthly data is so important, and we greatly appreciate that. That is so efficient, and we're thankful to have that, and on a timely basis.
She's been a tremendous breath of fresh air, and she's made a huge impact in terms of we are completely up to date. We close out our months.
What we need as real estate investors or as business owners is people in our life that are helping us stay on top of the details, because, at least me, I want to be focused on the things that are going to ultimately make me money, which are the deals.
We don't ever have to worry about anything now with Kristen. We get email updates. Things are done monthly.
It has helped us see a clearer picture on a monthly basis as to where we are financially with our business. It just helps us feel like we're put together. You can track things better. You can plan. I would say just looking at the data and having a clear picture has opened our eyes. We're like, okay, let's see how we can improve in areas in terms of expenses and how we can grow our income.
Yeah, I think the company's very, very good for referral.
I've already recommended Kristen, and 100% hands down, full recommendation, no concerns, highest marks for sure.